Hey, future affiliate marketing pros, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got a game-changing video for all the beginners out there. We're about to unravel the secrets of affiliate marketing mastery, focusing on the $10,000 method. If you're ready to turn your passion into profit, stick around because we've got some valuable insights coming your way. Chapter 1. Our first stop on this affiliate journey is the e-commerce giant Amazon. Imagine tapping into a platform where millions of people shop every day. You'll learn how to leverage Amazon's affiliate program to earn commissions by promoting products relevant to your niche. It's like having a virtual store without dealing with inventory or shipping hassles. Chapter 2. Now let's explore another powerhouse in the e-commerce realm, Shopify. This platform empowers you to create your online store with ease. We'll delve into the strategies of dropshipping, finding winning products, and setting up a Shopify store that attracts customers like bees to honey. Get ready to unleash your entrepreneurial spirit. Chapter 3. But wait, we're not done yet. Our e-commerce journey takes a detour to Walmart. Yes, you heard it right. Walmart has an affiliate program too. We'll uncover how you can tap into this retail giant, promoting a diverse range of products and earning commissions. It's time to expand your affiliate horizons beyond the expected. Chapter 4. Now let's talk about a game-changing strategy within affiliate marketing, harnessing the power of AI for content creation. Imagine having an AI assistant like MAVAS, crafting engaging content for your affiliate products. From blog posts to social media captions, you'll learn how to leverage AI to save time and skyrocket your affiliate marketing success. Chapter 5. Moving on to content creation, let's explore AI-driven video production. We'll show you how to use artificial intelligence to create captivating videos for your affiliate products. Whether it's product reviews, tutorials, or promotional content, AI can take your video game to the next level, making your content stand out in the crowded online space. Chapter 6. Last but certainly not least, we'll uncover the secrets of creating SEO-optimized blog posts. Learn how to use keywords effectively, structure your content for search engine visibility, and attract organic traffic to your affiliate links. Mastering the art of blogging is a key component of affiliate marketing mastery. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. There you have it. 3 powerful strategies each for e-commerce, affiliate marketing, and content creation. If you found these insights valuable, give us a thumbs up, share this video with your fellow aspiring affiliates, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more game-changing content. Until next time.